Good evening, sir. I'm Horika from CSCB department. My roll number is 244Z1805B9. I'm currently pursuing the Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology second year CSC. Today I'm presenting my CA1 assignment about the lower fidelity and higher fidelity prototyping demonstration. The subject name is Design Thinking and Innovation. The subject code is 23MEC408. Introduction to prototyping. Prototyping is the process of creating the preliminary models of a product to test the ideas and functionalities. It helps to sketch holders visualize the design and gather the early feedback. Different levels credibility are used depending on the stages and purpose of the development. What is the lower fidelity prototyping? Lower fidelity prototyping types are simple basic models that focus on the layout and concept. They are after creating quickly using papers, sketch on or basic digital tools. Their familiarity calls to specialties, early stages, ideas, exploration, and communication. Characteristics of the lower fidelity prototypes. They are inexpensive and easy to modify or discard. The lack details design in activity or precise functionality. They are ideas of brainstorming stations and initial user feedback. Benefits of a lower fidelity prototyping. They enable to rapid iteration and exploration of the multiple ideas. They helps to identify the fundamental usability issues early in the design process. They encourage collaboration among the team members and sketchholders. What is higher fidelity prototyping? The higher fidelity prototypes closely resemble the final product in the appearance and functions. They often including detailed visuals, interactivity and realistic content. They are used later in the design process to refine and validate features. The ideal fidelity, ideal fidelity prototyping is the final product in the appearance and functions, that is called higher fidelity prototyping. Characteristics of the higher fidelity prototyping. They are more time consuming and costly to develop. They provide a near real experience for the users and sketchholders. They allow for the detailed usability testing and feedback collection. The characteristics is the main sources in the higher fidelity to say that the time consumers and costly to develop. Benefits of the higher fidelity prototyping. The facilities processes evaluations of the user iterations and workflows. The intention of the higher fidelity is evaluation of the users. They helps to in the securing sketchholders by with the realistic demonstrations. They enable through the testing of the design details before the development. Comparing the lower fidelity and higher fidelity prototypes. Lower fidelity prototypes are quick, inexpensive, and flexible, while high fidelity ones are detailed and realistic. Lower fidelity best suitable are rarely status ideas, whereas higher fidelity is the deals for the final validation. Both types are valuable at different points in the design process and improving the usability and design quality. So, the lower fidelity and higher fidelity both are important. Choosing the right prototype consider the project stages, budgets, and goals when the selecting the prototype priorities. Use the lower priority prototypes for the initial concept testing and brainstorming. Transaction to high priority prototypes as the design matures and detail or finalized. Conclusion and best practices. Effective prototyping involves the using the both lower and higher priority models statistically. Early prototype should be simple to encourage experimentation and quickly feedback. Higher feasibility prototypes are essential for detailed testing and schedule approval. Thank you for the great golden opportunity.